Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of the blend sounds for E-A-R-L, I-R-L, and O-R-L. Together, they make the sound earl. All the sounds today are going to have the earl sound in it. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel or you haven't done so yet, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to say these earl sounds together. Please give it a try. Earl Grey, Earl Grey, Earl Grey. Early, early, early. Pearl, pearl, pearl. Pearlescent, pearlescent, pearlescent. Girl, girl, girl. Swirl, swirl, swirl. Twirling, twirling, twirling. Whirlpool, whirlpool, whirlpool. World, world, world. Dream world, dream world, dream world. Underworld, underworld, underworld. Unworldly, unworldly, unworldly. Did you find this video helpful? We upload videos on English pronunciation. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. Stay safe out there, everyone. Goodbye.